So let's see what we have here today. I believe it's cleaning products for the car. Let's check it out. So yes, here we have that new line from Super Clean. So I don't know if this is actually for the car or just in general to take out. It's a Stuff Task Cleaner Degreaser, dissolve grease, super easy, super fast. It actually doesn't say that it's for a car, it's just for grease in general. So here, by looking at the material they sent me, this is the Super Clean Original Degreaser. There's other 5 products in the same line. There's one that is foam for the wheels, and this one is a spray that can go on vertical surfaces. So I want to try it on the wheel anyway and see how it is. I don't have any other area that is super greasy right now, but I'll try it. Let me bring a brush. Even without the brush, just by water, applying water, it cleans up really well. So it works for this purpose too. Let's do this other side. And again, I'm just gonna leave it here running for a little bit. Then I'm gonna run water, brush it, and it will clean it perfectly. There it is, Super Clean with Super Clean. And again, this is a new line of product. There's 5 different versions. Original, Degreaser, foam trigger, all-wheel cleaner, aerosol can, and floor absorbent. And all the places where you can buy Super Clean.